Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome back to my particular channel. Today is an in the post. This is in the post number 13. First thing I've got is a replacement. It's a silver polishing cloth. Now basically I use this as a very soft cloth to clean away print marks and things like that may be on a coin. I don't use it for in-depth cleaning, so it's just basically something that will take off light marks like thumbprints and such like. So, have you ever had somebody send you something that you pay for on eBay and you've ended up getting a card like this saying, but the people who sent you haven't paid enough money? That's a little bit annoying, and believe me, I will be leaving feedback to the extent once I find out whose parcel it was, telling them that it cost me an extra £3.50 and they need to buck their ideas up. So you'd have seen this one before, so I'll bring it down a bit. This is a 20p series, the 40 years of the 20p. This end one, when we look at it close up, which we will do during the review, it does have a 40 underneath the Queen's neck as a privy mark or a mint mark. The other three 20p's are all used. Now, there are only 2,222, I think, of these being minted. Is that correct? I'm having a look on the back here. Yeah, limited edition 2022. Now, that means to say there's only going to be 2,022 of the special 20p's minted. This was the reason why I got this. I'm sure in 3 or 4 years' time that if I try to add a 20p with that 40 mint mark on it, it's going to cost quite a bit of money. So I've bought it now in the set. You can't get them separately, which is why I got this one this time. I've got a feeling in my water that people are going to want that for their date run, and they're not going to be able to get it because they can't because they haven't got the one with the mint mark on. 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 more bags of world coins where I bought modern world coins off the internet. They got to World Coin Hunt 246. Now I have around about 150 other World Coin Hunt bags or more. So people think, well, why did you get them for Steve? And the simple answer is I got them simply because they are coins that are modern. The ones that I have are more modern than the ones that I have. The ones that I have are, how can I put it, a little bit old now. Some of them are 5-6 years old, where I've not been able to get round to recording them for whatever reason. So there are 7, oh sorry, that's not there. There's 2, 4, 6 lots of coins there. They will be added to my World Coin Hunt box of coins and will be shown in due course. What I'm going to be doing with the world coins is I'm going to be taking some that I had in stock before I bought these, and then some that are in these later ones. So I've got a mixture of different types of coins and newer versions of the coins. So those 6 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will go to my backlog of world coins to be videoed. I have 2 bags here to add to the animal coin hunt tally. Now I was running short of these, so I made purchase of, I think it was 3 lots of 30 coins, and I've got around about 7 lots of new coins, and I've got another, I think it's another lot of 30 to come in, which will make up another two bags. So there'll be 9 bags of new coins for me to do animal coin hunts with. That's 9 more hunts secured. Now, I said to you on a previous coin hunt video not so long back that I was doing a thing for Christmas. I've got a second side project, and it is Halloween, and I managed to get myself a US Halloween coin. It was a Buffalo nickel coin that has a Halloween themed obverse to it. This will be coming out with some other Halloween items on the run into Halloween, so at the end of October you won't see this coin again until then. I've now had my little moan about the extra excess postage, so that will fill up this particular video and finish this video off. If you've enjoyed this, would you please give me the thumbs up? If you believe I deserve it, would you also think about subscribing if you haven't done so already? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And last and by no means least, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching, and in doing so possibly subscribe and push me over the 100 subscription level. But until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ta-ra now.